Assalamu alaikum friends, hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss about a Stabila platform. So what is Stabila and how can you create account to buy this token? So first of all I will go through some overview about this project. So what is Stabila? Stabila is a project committed to financial system decentralization. Stabila protocol provide a public blockchain service with high throughput, flexibility and reliability. All of the decentralized dApps application in the Stabila space are licensed to counter fraud changemaker by enabling customer-centric service and lasting relationship. So they have a own website and official platform where you can create an account and buy this token. So you can check the latest block number, total transaction, total accounts, active accounts, and total nodes and total STB. So you can check the latest price of per Stabila. So per Stabila has price only $16, and you can check the 24-hour growth. So the total market cap market cap has $337 million and 24-hour STB volume 1.7 million and 24-hour transaction volume 242, and you can check the total maximum supply 30 million and in circulation supply 20 million only. So you can check the STB volume graph. So this graph is really good, up and down. You can check this volume graph. So you can check the latest transaction on the platform. So they have mentioned our transaction hash ID. You can track any address on the platform. So this is the account growth. So they have mentioned a chart on this to the Stabila. So you can check the all-time high. So choose any time frame and 1 day chart frame, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, so 1 hour. So you can check the consistently upward movement. So this is price is really good. So they have also mentioned our social media's account, so you can click and join their social media accounts to get latest information. So first of all you have account on this platform. So I will log out, and again I will discuss how to create account. So this is the register area. So click on the register button and put your email address, put your password, and again put your password, and check all the term and condition before accept. So click on I agree and term and condition and complete a captcha before join now. After joining, you have receiving a confirmation link on your email ID. So after confirmation your account successfully login. So just click on this login button and again put your same email and password and click on and complete a captcha to login. My account has been successfully logged in. So you can check the main dashboard on the platform. So if you don't create account, to simply click on this plus button and choose your username and create a password. Just creating a password, you can click on the create, and after creating you have receiving a deposit address. So they have a send and receive button. If you want to buy this STB token, so click on this plus button. So you can see the dashboard where you have buy to the STB token. So choose any currency to buy this STB token. So this currency will be only accepted in Bitcoin, Ethereum and USDT. So you can click and choose this currency and type amount. The maximum limit is 1000 STB. So just put an 1000 STB and put your pay address, and after that you have put receiving address. After all check the term and condition before purchasing. After this click on the agree with purchase condition and confirm it, and after confirm this your STB will be successfully received in your receiving address. So after that you can hold and get a huge profit. So this is the overview. So hope you are doing like this video. So please, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more latest video. Thank you so much.